Okay, I got something new today. Jim Green boots, and I'm gonna unbox them for you here. They're the Jim Green Moc Toes in Fudge. Let's see if I can get this box out of the way here. Bear with me, I'm using a new camera and trying to figure it out at the same time. So, yeah, those look pretty good. They're supposed to be kind of barefoot style, extra wide. That width is probably gonna work just fine. So I have wide feet. So there's that one. There's the invoice. And there's the other one. Figure the lighting again. I'm not usually filming again. So nice. There's Jim Green. Jim Green right there. So they look pretty good. They look really nice, actually. Box out of the way. Just give a little view of these around. Yeah. So I'll try these on and wear these a little bit, then I'll give a review. Just like I'm doing with my Thursdays, I'm breaking those in. Those are pretty much broken in now, so you can give a solid review on that. All right. Thanks for looking. Check you out later.